What's going on, everyone? It's Alan, and this is Hyte's new THICC Q80 Trio. I pre-ordered the Snow White edition earlier this year, and it's finally here. So for those that missed out, I'll show you what comes in the box, and I'll be putting it into my system. So first off, the box itself is huge and has a tasteful and creative packaging. Inside the box, you'll have everything you'll need for install, like the accessories pack, which holds your AMD brackets and Intel brackets, and of course all the connections that you need for your radiator to your motherboard. Sitting behind the radiator itself is the instruction manual and an extra light strip. It comes included if you want to add some extra flair to your case. For the AI itself, this thing is thick and it weighs a lot. I don't have a scale or anything for this, but just know that this thing's going to add a lot of weight to your case. I really wanted this cooler for its unique design. It has a 5-inch 720 60 Hz display and gets as bright as 300 nits. In the back, it has 42 ARGBs to reflect color behind it, giving it an underglow tone. Another reason I wanted this is because the cables are actually hidden from the screen and the pump, and they are actually included in the tubing itself. This makes this look a lot more clean than my prior AIO that I had. And everything connects with one dual USB-C cable that they provide in the box. A lot of these features were with the THICC Q60, and just like the THICC Q60, the screen pivots and can be moved around at any angle that you want. The software can be a bit intimidating at first, but once you learn it and Hyte Nexus can sense all of your devices in your system, it gets sort of simple. Mine was having an issue getting an update for a long time at first, and I wasn't able to control the fans, but after some troubleshooting, I got it figured out. Just like the Q60, it has a lot of preset options in the Nexus software for you to use and choose from, and you can still upload GIFs to it if you want something more personalized. Overall, the performance, I haven't really tested it out as much as I should have when it comes to games, but I can say that on a quiet setting, it gets the job done. You can always ramp up the RPM for better temps, but I prefer to keep a flat curve. This thing can get really loud if you have it at 100%. Overall, it's a new product, and I'm going to be doing some testing. This video was just an initial first impression of the product I was anticipating, and I'm not going to go crazy into depth about the product. There will be plenty of guys, I'm sure, who post what they find after some testing. The things I'm not really a fan of, not sure if it's just my model, but I wish the screen would angle upward a bit more. It seems like it dangles downward just a little bit, but I notice it. Make sure before you buy this AIO that you make sure that it's compatible with the case that you're going with. Just like the THICC Q60, the THICC Q80 is also tailored towards Hyte cases. Final thing that's kind of wild is the price. This thing right now retails for $350, which is a wild price to many. This AIO costs just as much as a current gen console costs, and that's a little wild to me. But of course, there are plenty of options and other affordable options you can get in AIOs on the market right now. But in my opinion, this has got to be one of the more unique ones. Other than that, I think it looks pretty solid. Exactly what I kind of expected. Thanks everyone for watching. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have any questions. I can try to answer them as quick as I can. Hope you have a great day.